Project related site value is very Australian. This is how the valuers here use this because there is a GST component here that they take out, basis for GST less land value, and this is exactly the same way a valuer would do a valuation on a project with a development permit in place. So that is pretty much it. There's nothing to do here apart from an entrepreneurial margin for profit and risk. If you put that in, it will come up. You can come up with a residual value of land, which is 6.383. That means this is the valuation for your project after it's got a permit for your construction loan. So there is not much here. If you ever compared this with a valuation report that you got from a valuer, you will find that this is the exact way that they would do this calculation. The only difference is that I'll put it together and I pulled in information from all the sheets that we have already done and done this calculation based on that. There's nothing to do here. You come when you click when you're on a summary sheet and you go save and next, it'll take you to PRSV, and all you do is press save and refresh. It will give you an entrepreneurial risk margin that you put in. So just make sure that you put in a value that for smaller projects, 12 townhouses and 24 townhouses and all these things, it is between 15 to 18%. I put in 20 just to see, because this is a mock project. So these are all the features of lead developer. And if you've got any queries, there are sections there where you can send feedback on this on lead developer. If you want to report a bug, you can report that. Send us screenshots. If you've got any other issues that with the feasibility, just shoot us an email and I'll hop on a call and help you out with it. I hope you enjoy Lead Developer.